the talented painter, embracing creativity and self-expression. In a little village surrounded by beautiful nature, there was a boy named Tom. Tom loved to paint, and he was really good at it. He liked to paint the pretty things he saw around him, like mountains, lakes, and waterfalls. Every day, Tom would go outside with his paints and canvas. He would find a quiet spot and start painting. His paintings had bright colors and looked just like the real places he saw. People in the village heard about Tom's talent and loved his paintings. They thought his paintings were amazing because they made them feel like they were actually there. They felt happy and thankful for the beauty of nature. Even though people liked his paintings, Tom stayed humble. He knew that his talent came from God, and he wanted to keep getting better. He never stopped learning and trying new things to make his paintings even more beautiful. One day, a wise painter named Mr. Ahmed saw Tom painting by the lake. Mr. Ahmed could see that Tom had a special gift. He told Tom to keep learning and exploring new techniques. He believed that Haroon's art could inspire many people. Tom was excited and became Mr. Ahmed's student. Mr. Ahmed taught him different ways to paint and showed him how to capture the tiny details of nature. Tom was eager to learn and tried his best to improve. As time passed, Tom's talent grew even more. His paintings made people feel peaceful, amazed, and thankful. They felt like they were seeing the beauty of nature through Haroon's art. People in the village loved Tom not only for his talent, but also because he stayed humble. He was grateful for his gift, and he painted with love for nature. He wanted to show everyone how wonderful God's creations were. Tom's art made people in the village appreciate their surroundings even more. They started noticing the small, beautiful things in their everyday lives. As Tom became famous, people from faraway places came to see his paintings. His artwork was shown in galleries and museums. People loved his paintings because they looked so real and touched their hearts. But Tom never forgot where he came from. He kept painting landscapes with love and respect, always trying to capture the beauty of the world around him. And so, the story of Tom, the talented painter who embraced creativity and self-expression, showed everyone the power of art and the amazing things in nature. Tom taught us that being humble, working hard, and appreciating God's creations can make our art special and inspiring for others. The end.